Nitin Gadkari has taken over as the new BJP president, which means that a new team could soon be in as well. The question is whether some of those who clashed with Rajnath Singh will now be rehabilitated.
Celebrations at the BJP headquarters as Nitin Gadkari is formally elected party president. The RSS backing meant no opposition at all. Now he has to choreograph his Gen Next team of general secretaries, and heads of mass organizations. The buzz is, despite stiff opposition for his hate speech, Varun Gandhi may head the BJP in Uttar Pradesh or take charge of the party's youth wing. The RSS that's firmly behind him thinks he can be a counter to Rahul Gandhi. The key posts of general secretaries will see a lot of changes. The likely new faces are Vasundhara Raje, who took on Gadkari's predecessor Rajnath Singh, Manohar Parrikar, who less than 6 months ago had called Advani a rancid pickle, Ravi Shankar Prasad and Shahnawaz Hussain. Sources say in consultations with the RSS, Gadkari may give 30% posts to new faces, drop leaders blamed for electoral failures.
It will be a balance of new and old, and it will be a balance of regional balance, social balance.
But seems the tussle between Advani and the RSS is still on. The Sangh wants more of its men in the organizational structure. But for now, there is silence.
Mutual trust and discipline. ये दोनों बातों में बहुत अच्छा वातावरण पार्टी में है.
The BJP celebrates Nitin Gadkari's elevation for the second time in as many months. What the BJP now waits is what does the RSS has in store for the party and how will it return to the winning ways. In Delhi, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.
Tuba.com